What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to change this colorful and beautiful photo to become also this tuning but in the pencil sketch version. How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you would like to use or that you can use over here is the Google AI Studio. And after that I will click this try Gemini 3, and here I will go to this images category. And if you'd like to try the free version, so I will recommend you to use this Nano Banana, guys. And I have actually tried to do the photo editing using this Nano Banana Pro and Imagen 4. However, these two will need you to have the API, and if you would like to know about how to use these two options or these two tools, you can also put your request in the comment section, and we would like to create the video in new version. And let's go back to this Nano Banana, and after that I can start to upload the pictures here or the previous picture. For example this one, and click open. And after that you can start to put your prompt into this section, and don't worry because you can copy paste and try this prompt into our description box. So the prompt gonna be like this. Well, transform the photo into the detailed pencil sketch illustration, clean, precise graphite line, and also with the soft cross hatching for shadow. And also there is the smooth shading on the faces or the clothing and this fur of this cat and also dog. And also for the clothing while maintaining the realistic proportion and expression. And also subtle contour line around the eyes and also hands to enhance the detail, and also light draw, hand drawn texture across the background, and also resembling a finely crafted art sketch. And also gentle highlight, minimal smudging, and refined monochrome aesthetic. And this picture gonna have the high quality, elegant, and expressive pencil drawing style similar to the professional portrait sketch art. So this will be the prompt that you can use, and continue to click run and kindly wait for the result down here. Basically you can try to do the photo editing with this prompt, and you will also have the possibility to get a little bit or slightly different look, but maybe it is about the how much or how intense the sketch or the deepen color here. And as you can see in the previous picture, the white or the paper tend to be white, and this tend to be a little bit brown. Which one do you prefer? And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it's gonna be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.